Hi, I'm Emily Taylor from Collage Quilter. Today I have a really fun, free project so that you can turn your pumpkin from the Harvest Collage, if you want, into a Halloween jack-o'-lantern. The jack-o'-lantern faces are just a freebie on my website, so go to collagequilter.com and look for the free jack-o'-lantern faces. And that will take you to a link. Just put your email in and select yes, please send me the jack-o'-lantern faces, and you'll get this in your email inbox. It will have 3 faces. So number 1, the happy face, that's what I'm doing today, scary face, and a boo. Okay, so take your pick. You can choose one of those to use on your pumpkin. So I'm going to demonstrate real quick how to turn my pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern. First of all, we're going to need scissors. I need fabric scissors and paper scissors. I need some glue. I need fabric scraps and freezer paper. Okay, so now you can see what I've done is I've taken the template, the happy face template, and I've traced it onto freezer paper. Freezer paper is a great product for making templates because it's got this paper side that I can draw on and a waxy side. And that waxy side, when I press it to the to the right side of my fabric, will make a temporary adhesion. So it looks like this. You can see this is what I've done with one eye. That allows me to very easily then cut out my my template, my eye in this case, and voila. Okay, now I've already done that up here. I've already taken the paper off and pinned it in place. The one thing that I wanted to show you is how I did the mouth. So I wanted to continue making the pumpkin look really scrappy and the jack-o'-lantern scrappy. So I divided his mouth up into different sections, and I'll just show you how to do that real quick. So I take his mouth, the template piece, and I'm simply going to divide it into different sections. Then I will number the sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This helps me, if it's numbered, to know.
Closer to the camera.
This helps me to know where they go in this little puzzle. Because once I cut them apart, I need to be able to put them back together. So you can see that that's what I've done right here. If you bring the camera closer, my daughter's operating the camera. Do you want to come closer?
Just do a little zoom.
Okay. So see, 1, 2, 3. So I've got 7 different pieces of fabric back there. Well, actually 4 different pieces divided up. So now all I'm going to do is just unpin it and put it back in place. And then I have kind of a scrappy jack-o'-lantern mouth. Do it one by one. Don't take the paper off all at once or you will be lost. Unless you really like puzzles, which I like puzzles, but not when I'm trying to film a video. That makes it a little tricky. How's that looking? Are you starting to be able to see his mouth? Now, one thing I need to mention is, especially with the mouth, I want to make sure that there is at least a 1/4 inch overlap so that all the pieces overlap. They won't butt up against each other, they overlap. And that's why I cut a 1/4 inch around the template piece. So I'm just going to pin those in place. And then I'll show you how I go about gluing. Oh, how did that one go? See, this is a tricky little puzzle, and I love it. There. Okay, final piece. There, so all the pieces are overlapping each other, and I've got kind of a scrappy little smile on my jack-o'-lantern. So I'm going to leave it pinned there, and now what I'm going to do is, if there's anything in there that I don't like, I can reuse the template piece. This will be good for about 3 different times. I can iron it on 3 different times. But let me just show you how I'm going to glue now. This is really simple. So I'm just going to take my Fabric Fusion and go just one small bead around the edges of each piece. I don't need to smear it or anything. I like the consistency of this glue because I don't have to smear it. And then I'm just going to glue it in place. Like so. So I will just go and glue all those pieces on. Okay, so there's my jack-o'-lantern. You'll see it finished at collagequilter.com in the Collage Quilt Along with Emily Facebook group. And you can check out this video, of course, and all of my other videos at YouTube. So to purchase this pumpkin pattern, it's a $12 download, or you can purchase it as part of the harvest pattern that we just finished up. So collagequilter.com, you can get my patterns and this free download. So anyway, if you have any questions, please email me, emily@collagequilter.com, or you can find me in the Facebook groups. All right, have a great day. Happy Halloween, happy fall. See you later.